Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a composite figure that is made up of algebra tiles, and it wants us to write expressions for perimeter and area. So this is a problem I'm taking from CPM's course 2, and this is section 5.3.2, specifically number 5-114. So it says, look at the algebra tile shape below. That's this guy right here. Write an algebraic expression for perimeter of the shape in two ways. First, by finding the length of the sides and adding them all together. Second, by writing an equivalent simplified expression. So we kind of want the long version and the short version. So perimeter, let's start there. So perimeter, remember, is all the sides added. So we first have to label our sides here. Remember, if this is an x squared tile, that means its dimensions are x by x. X times x is x squared. So that length is x, that length is x, this length is x, right? And then this tile here is a x tile. So that means its dimensions are x by 1. Okay. Now, it gets a little tricky because these guys are 1 each. But what I need to figure out now is what is this length here and what is that length there, right? So if I look at each of these lengths, let me look at this one here. From here to here, all the way down is x, right? There to there is x. But I'm being covered up by each of these little ones. So that together is 2. So what it is it's x minus 2. X minus 2. That length is x minus the 2. Okay? And then this length here, this one would be what? Well, again, from there to there, all the way is x, but it's being covered up by 1. So it's all of it x minus the 1. So there's my expressions that make up each of these side lengths. So the perimeter, if I write it down in long form, I'm just going to start adding it all the way around, right? I'll start here and work my way around. I would say it's x plus, and then that little one there is x minus 2, then plus, and I've got a 1 and a 1. So plus 1, plus, and then that one there is x minus 1, then plus 1, and then I have plus x plus x. I think I covered it all because I started with this x here. So that would be the long version of my expression. So they want the long version and the short version. So if I were to combine like terms, what do I have? How many x's am I adding here? I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it'd be 6x, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x. And then what are my numbers? I have a negative 2, 2 positive 2. So those cancel. That minus 2 plus 1 plus 1, that becomes 0. Then I have a minus 1 plus 1, that becomes 0. So really what I end up with is just 6x. So my perimeter is just 6x as a simplified. So I now have the simplified and a long version of it. That's for the perimeter. Then it wants an algebraic expression for the area. Well, area, remember, is just the tiles themselves are the area. The area of this tile is x squared. The area of this tile is x. And this is a 1 by 1, so the area of that is 1. So if I'm going to write it as an expression, it's x squared plus x plus 1. And I can't do any combining because they're not like terms. So that would be the expression for the area and my two expressions for perimeter. Okay? There you go.